Hi, and welcome to the section number 6 of our course. In this section, we'll talk about the rebase. We will start talking about the difference between merge and the rebase. We will see how we can rebase and solve the conflict that sometimes happen during the rebase. And then we will have two videos talking about the interactive rebase. In the first video, we'll see how we can reward, so we can change the message of a comics or we can edit the commit itself. And in the second video, we'll see how we can squash or reorder the list of commits. Let's start with our first video. Let's talk about the difference between a rebase and a merge. We will understand the pros and cons of rebase and merge, and we will execute a merge via command line. In this slide, you can see a fairly common use case. We are working on the develop branch, and someone else is working on the master branch. Now what we need to do is to integrate the changes that are on master into our branch. We can do this in two ways. The first one is to merge. So if we merge master back into develop, the result will look like this. We will have a merge commit with two parents. One parent is develop and the other parent is master. And in this way, we integrated the changes that are on master, we integrate into the develop branch. This is the solution that you should use if you already pushed your changes into the remote. But if you didn't push yet, probably what you want to use is not a merge, probably it's a rebase. Rebase is a way of changing the history, and basically what the rebase does, takes the changes that you have on your branch and reapplies on the top of the branch that you specify. In this case, for example, if we go back to the previous state, if we, instead of merging master into develop, we rebase develop on top of master, the result will look like this. The main pro of this approach is that we now have a linear history of the repository. Understanding this history is way more easier than understanding this history. Now let's see how we can do this via command line. We have our repository here and we have two branches. Let's open git-k to understand the current status of this repository. So the head points to the develop branch. Then we have master, and then we have another branch that is conflicted that we will see on the next video. What we want to do now is to reintegrate the changes that are on master into the develop branch. As we saw on the slide, we can do a merge, so we can do git merge master. And this is how the history looks like now. We have this additional comment here with two parents. One parent is the master and the other parent is this old commit on develop. And this is the approach that you want to use if you already pushed your changes. But let's suppose that we didn't push and we want to use the rebase instead. I will reset the develop to this commit to revert the merge. And now let's do the rebase. If we open git-k now, we can see that the history is way more easy to understand. The commits that were on the develop branch before now are directly applied on the top of the master branch. And this generated just a linear history.